Ukraine's new drones built at home. This drone has something new, something special. Every single part is now made in Ukraine, not by choice but out of necessity. Ukrainian drones have long been assembled from components sourced from different parts of the world. Some parts were produced locally while others, like remote controls, motors, frames and cameras, were imported, often from China. But recently, that changed. China has halted the export of many key drone components, not just to Ukraine, but also to American and European customers. It's a ripple effect of the growing tech conflict between the US and China, and Ukraine is caught in the middle. Now, Ukrainians are forced to rely on their own ingenuity. Across the country, hundreds, perhaps thousands of small factories, basements, garages, and workshops have been transformed into production sites for drones and other weapons. These places now manufacture the very parts that are no longer available from abroad. As a result, more and more drones are flying over Ukraine that are built entirely at home. And the ambition doesn't stop there. In 2024, Ukraine produced around 1.5 million drones. This year, they aim to triple that number, to 4.5 million. Whether that target is achievable, given Ukraine's increasing dependence on domestic production, is still uncertain. There are both benefits and drawbacks to building drones at home. On one hand, because they're being made in so many different places, each drone is slightly different. That makes it harder for the enemy to defend against them. Every drone poses a new challenge. On the other hand, it complicates things for Ukrainian drone pilots. Each drone handles a little differently, requiring the pilots to adjust constantly. Still, the shift to fully domestic drone production marks a turning point. Ukraine is adapting, and fast.